Hello and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, another crypto review. But before that guys, please subscribe to my channel. This is not a financial advice, so always do your own research because this is for entertainment only. Crypto has a risk, so always do your own research and be responsible on your funds. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so for today's video, we are going to talk about the Black Dog X BWT Alpine F1 team partnership, guys. So the Alpine F1 team has partnered with our Black Dog, signs a multi-year partnership with BWT Alpine F1 team, guys. Okay, so this is the Black Dog, and you can connect your wallet right here using MetaMask, OKX, Trust Wallet, Cold Wallet, and a Binance Wallet, guys. So this is the Black Dog that partners with the Alpine. So BWT Alpine Formula 1 team together with the Black Dog. We are in the Singapore. So pre-sale is live right now, guys. So groundbreaking crypto pre-sale in 2025. You can join the Black Dog Crypto Pre-Sale 2025. Engage with the project and see your contribution grow to your new heights. So this is the pre-sale, guys. So just click the pre-sale button right here and just connect your wallet, what I'm doing right now. You can choose the MetaMask wallet. Okay, so put your MetaMask wallet password right here and just connect your wallet instantly. You can now see the Black Dog dashboard here, guys. Use F1 Genesis, a bit besting, guys. They also have a code that you can use. It's on my description down below, guys. So right now, 1 BDAG is 0.0015 and the next batch will be on 0.0318. You can use ETH, USDT, BNB, guys. Okay, so BDAG worth of 1.63 BDAG. The F1 Genesis is already applied, guys. Okay, so if you want to buy now, just click the buy now button, trade BDAG. Right here, guys, this is the current price of the BDAG. So ROI calculator, you can also see the ROI calculation here. Dev releases, buyer battles, and the referral itself, guys. You can copy and share it to your friends. Your unique referral link can be shared and can have a commission earned up to 25% of your referral purchases, guys. Okay, so right now you will see the leaderboard of the top referrers here. So the leaderboard, your transaction right here also, achievements, and your profile itself, guys. But let me share you about this post in financefeeds.com that the top crypto news, the Black Dog and BWT Alpine F1 team announced multi-year global partnership in October, guys. So global spotlight through Formula 1 commands a global audience of over 1 billion fans across 180 plus country, guys. So this is the BWT Alpine, no? So Anthony Turner, CEO of Black Dog, highlighted the strategic importance of the partnership. So next time you will see the Black Dog logo here at the BWT Alpine Formula Car 1. Okay, guys. So strategic adoption and funding milestone. So 312,000 BDAG holders worldwide, up to nearly 420 million in its pre-sale. So selling more than 26.5 billion coins, guys. Adoption metrics continue to accelerate. So Genesis Day and the F1 Genesis code. Always use this code if you want to sign up. It's on my description down below, guys. So Trust the Dog, world most secure blockchain. So beyond sponsorship, a convergence of culture. Unlike many crypto sports tie-ups, the Black Dog Alpine deals is structured to go deeper than a brand exposure, guys. Okay, so planned initiatives include digital integration into Alpine's fan platforms, exclusive NFT drops, and real-world hackathons. Okay, guys, so again, this is the Black Dog, guys. You can claim your exclusive Genesis Day, no? Time is running out. The clock has started. Taking only 1,000 exclusive spots are open and they are vanishing fast. Use code CLAIM to activate it. You need to make a purchase worth at least 10% of your total USDT spent amount before the window closes forever, guys. So don't be late. Secure the spot now. So I think that's all about this Black Dog with the partnership of the F1 racer, guys. So again, this is MetaChain. I hope you have a good day and bye-bye.